News now coming in from Jaipur of a vicious stabbing case that took place over there, and it seems a 22-year-old man known as Vicky was brutally stabbed 14 times by one Anas Khan. It seems there was some kind of old enmity between the two. Anas also in fact posted on social media after the murder saying that he had committed this murder and taken revenge. He has now been arrested. Let's go across to Harsha for more on this story. And Harsha, he's arrested after he even fired at the cops. Give us more details of this, crime, also a protest taking place there in Jaipur.
Yeah, well, Gargi, I'm here at the Jaipuria hospital, and you can see behind me there's a policeman standing on guard. So we are not allowed to go further than this because Anas is being treated here inside the hospital where he was shot in the foot. Now, according to police sources, what he tried to do was when they went to arrest him, he tried to snatch the weapon from the police team, and that's why they had to shoot him in the foot. He is inside, and you can see that the police are and the doctors are trying to do, give him further treatment. Of course, he's not fatally injured, so he will be all right. The police here standing, right outside the hospital, right outside the ward. Actually, we're not allowed to go inside. Well, really, what happened was that this Anas Khan, who is someone who has a criminal record, he has heinous crime cases against him. He came last evening, on Sunday evening at about 9 p.m. to this Vipin, who's also got another name called Vicky. So he went to Vipin's house. And, according to his sister, who I spoke to, she's an eyewitness in this case, she said that two people came in. This Anas Khan did not come in. Two other people came in and they called Vipin out. And unsuspectingly, he went out and they took him into a quiet corner. And then he was stabbed brutally. Now, he has come with about 7 or 8 people, and they all sped away on bikes. I've spoken to the police officials at the spot. And, they have a CCTV footage of him trying to escape on that bike. Also, the issue is that, it led to a communal flashpoint. In Jaipur, protesters sitting on the Jaipur-Agra highway trying to block the highway. They were persuaded to sit on one side, but they're not backing off. They're demanding the arrest, they're demanding compensation, they're demanding a government job. The body has not been taken for last rites because, till these demands are not met, even the FIR will not be filed. So it led to a bit of a communal standoff in Jaipur, and the police on tenterhooks. They had 5 senior police officials there and about 200 policemen deployed to maintain law and order.
All right, Harsha, thanks so much for joining us with all those details.